Sri Ravi Shankar is a humanitarian leader, spiritual teacher, and an ambassador of peace. His vision of a stress-free, violence-free society has united millions of people around the world through service projects and courses offered by the Art of Living Foundation, an educational and humanitarian NGO that he founded in 1981. To counter the looming water crisis in India, the Art of Living is reviving rivers and other water resources through water conservation initiatives. Through these efforts, people at the grassroots in towns and cities are becoming aware of water conservation practices and the importance of the judicious use of natural resources like water. Using digital data and geospatial technologies, the River Rejuvenation Project has revived thousands of water bodies in India and brought back to life 42 dead rivers that for decades existed only in revenue records. At the same time, the foundation has planted 81 million trees in 36 countries and 26 Indian states to revive the disturbed hydrological cycle. The river projects have created a long-lasting and powerful impact on more than 5,000 villages, benefiting a population of over 5 million. For his concerted attempts at the preservation of natural resources and relentless efforts towards empowering local communities, let's give it up for this year's recipient of the Making a Difference Award for Societal Impact, Sri Ravi Shankar.
I thank the Geospatial World Award ceremony for bestowing this honor on me and my foundation. You know, the technology has changed the language of today. It has also changed the way we think, the way we act. A few years back, nobody could think that a ceremony or a function could be held without the physical presence in a location. Today, we are beyond locations, beyond boundaries, almost akin to the current pandemic that we are facing in the world, in the lockdown period throughout the world when people had to stay indoors. It is a technology which has saved the minds of millions. You know, it helps us to stay connected. Although there are many positive things about technology, there are the flop side of it also, where false news, fake news travel very fast due to technology. Nevertheless, in this scenario, what we need to do is to uplift the spirit of human being. As United Nations and World Health Organization have recognized, the biggest challenge post-pandemic the world would be facing is mental health issues, where individuals and families are victims of fear, anxiety, neurosis, and depression. Even if one person in a family is affected mentally, the entire family loses its peace of mind and the will to live. It is appalling to see in this age of technology, we are losing one life every 45 seconds by suicide. So what would be very necessary now is to attend to this issue of mental health, robust mental health, physical well-being is essential to tackle tough situations. We are living in a borderless world today where we need to connect not just only through technology but also through emotional connectivity. And this emotional connectivity through culture, through yoga, through meditation, through service activity will all contribute a great to social harmony and reassuring people that there is enough compassion, humanness, togetherness on the planet. So I once again thank the Geospatial organization for bestowing me this honor, and let us all work together. Let us bring the spirit of human beings to such heights that we care and share for each other as a global community. From ancient times, India had this philosophy of one world family. The whole world is considered as one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This is possible when we can see a violence-free, stress-free society, and where people are divided in the racial or gender bias, racial bias, class and caste bias. We have to rise above all this and unite the entire world in peace and harmony. Let's vision a world which is free from violence and stress, and let us all give to the coming generation a better world than what we have inherited. With these few words, I once again thank you all. Thank you very much.